Hello everyone, this is Amit Down. Today I'm going to show you how to fill up a new automatic dish liquid dispenser, and then I'll show you the process. So what happened, it's kind of, I was lazy to take out the liquid dishwashing from the container each time, and what happened, sometimes I even didn't want to wash my plates and everything, so which is not hygienic enough, and I wanted to switch it to a automated machine which would dispense, just you put your hand and dispenses the detergent. So I just bought this one, YIKHOM. This is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased and honest. So I purchased this with my own money. So I'm going to show you how to fill this up. It should be easy and simple enough. So what do, you have to put in one portion of detergent or dishwashing liquid, or you can even put hand soap, shampoo, I think any kind of thing would fit in, and then you have to put 3 portions of water. So I kind of measured this with a measurement cup, and I think it's around 235 ml. So I'm just going to put 60 ml soap and 180, which is 60 times 3 portion water. So the way you open it, I already fully charged this, so this should have full charge. So you just kind of twist it, and then it's going to open. And then I'm just going to take this detergent first, and it should be 60 ml, so which is going to be about this. So let's see how much we can put in. I think you can put in even a little more, but I just want to I do not want to fill it up to the top because I just want to leave some flexibility. So I just put 60 ml here, and then we're going to put this in here, and I'm going to just take 60 ml water, or even I can just do 180 altogether. So let's just take 180. So I'm just taking here 150. The water is kind of going foamy, so let's say I see 120. So I'm going to just put that in here, and then you can see here, and then I have room for another 30. So let's say another 30 or 40. It doesn't have to be exactly accurate, as long as you are close to the edge, then you're okay. So you can see here that it's almost very close. So I'm just going to close this first, and again, in order to close it, you have to just kind of twist it open. So you can see that you have to just put it in where it fits, and then just twist it to the right or clockwise. So now this is kind of close. You want to shake it gently a little bit, not shaking too much, but because it's going to ruin the machine, so I just I'm just shaking it very little according to the instructions. So what happened, now this should be ready. So the first thing you're going to do, you have to press the power button for 1-2 seconds, and let's see if it turns on. Okay, so looks like it turns on. Then it has different levels of dispensing power. So for example, if you want more foamy soap, then this is bigger. If you want less, then you can see that this is less. So let's just start with the small amount. You're supposed to put it on a flat surface, which is right here. Later on I'm going to switch it here, and all you have to do, just put your hand underneath it, and looks like it. Okay, so you can see that it's working, but the foam is not that foamy yet, but I'm not sure this is going to happen later on, or that's the way it is, but looks like it's just working fine. Another thing I want to see, I just want to put the sponge and see if it detects sponge. Okay, so looks like, oh, that's very good, because I didn't think it would detect sponge. I thought it would have to be your hand. Okay, so looks, okay, so it would take a few seconds, so it doesn't detect right away, so you have to just kind of hold it, and I think move it. So looks like it's working, but the part I was expecting more foamy, bubbly soap, but it looks like it's just giving liquid. So I'm not sure this is going to turn into soap later on, or that's the way it is, but so far it looks like it's working very well. And this should make your cleaning work or cleaning job much easier than doing it manually every time. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.